The Ivy Lee Method. The Ivy Lee Method. It was developed by American journalist and productivity consultant Ivy Lee in the early 20th century. Lee believed that the main enemies of effective work were the lack of a plan, insufficient focus, and poor prioritization. He also emphasized that productivity does not require overloading oneself with tasks. Identifying 6 key tasks and completing them sequentially is enough. The method gained prominence when Lee was hired by Charles M. Schwab, the president of Bethlehem Steel Corporation, to improve company efficiency. After testing Lee's approach, Schwab and his executives found it so valuable that they rewarded him handsomely for his advice. Steps to use the Ivy Lee Method. First step, at the end of each day, list the 6 most important tasks you need to accomplish tomorrow. Be thoughtful in selecting these tasks to ensure they contribute to your key goals. Second step, rank these tasks in order of importance, focusing on those with the highest impact or urgency. This prioritization will guide your workflow the following day. Third step, the next day, start with the first task and focus solely on completing it before moving on to the next. Avoid distractions and multitasking to maintain efficiency. Fourth step, when you complete a task, cross it off the list and move on to the next. Continue this process until all tasks are completed or until the end of the day. Fifth step, if there are any unfinished tasks at the end of the day, move them to the next day's list and adjust priorities accordingly. Sixth step, repeat the process daily, refining your approach over time for improved productivity and focus. Key considerations. Do not immediately number all tasks. First, mark the most critical ones, as secondary tasks may never get addressed. This prevents unnecessary planning efforts. Use goal-oriented phrasing. Instead of writing exercise, specify run 3 kilometers. Some tasks may require significant time. If multiple tasks need attention, determine in advance how much time to allocate to each. Keep separate lists for work-related and personal tasks to maintain clarity and focus. Benefits. Focuses on the most critical tasks, ensuring meaningful progress. Reduces decision fatigue by pre-planning your day, allowing you to start with clarity and purpose. Encourages consistency by creating a structured approach to work. Practical example, a marketing director's prioritization. Emma, a marketing director, applies the Ivy Lee method to structure her workday. At the end of her workday, she lists 6 tasks, preparing